Today we're out in Apache Junction, Arizona, taking a look at a Lennar home, and we're going to be looking at the Juniper floor plan. Juniper floor plan is a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with 2,468 square feet. Let's go ahead, go inside and take a look. All right, as we step inside to the Juniper floor plan, a couple things about this floor plan. 2,468 square feet of livable space, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 3-bay tandem garage. I always like to start in the kitchen, give you a good idea of the open space in the kitchen here. One of the big things my clients are always looking for is a gas range. So here out at Blossom Rock in the Lennar community, we do have gas ranges. Notice the 3-panel sliding glass door, little dining area here, and the big living room. Big open space. Okay, primary bedroom here in the back of the home. And just off the living room here and off the primary bedroom, you have a half bath. And notice the exit here to the outside. So people in the swimming pool, if you put a swimming pool in, will have quick access to a bathroom without dragging water through the whole house. Over here we have a den, study, office space, whatever you prefer to call it. Could put a pretty cool barn door right here. Utility room. And this utility room does not access the garage, so it's its own private space. Big entryway coming into the house here. And this hall, as you come into the house, you make a right. You've got this hallway here, which will give you a couple bedrooms and a bathroom. Go to the left first. Coming down the hallway here. Oh, bedroom. One thing I like about this floor plan is the ceilings are high everywhere. It's not just in the living room, it is all the bedrooms. Double sink here, and this is a shared bathroom for 3 bedrooms down this hallway. And this one's at the front of the house. There's a window, looks outside of the front. Couple closets here. Game closet, or linen closet, whatever you want to call it, and then a coat closet. And this door here takes you out into the garage. Okay, as we finish up today at the Juniper Plan at Blossom Rock here, we're in the Lennar property. And again, this property here, 2,468 square feet of livable space. It has a 3-bay tandem garage, 4 bedrooms, and 2.5 bathrooms. Keep in mind when you come out here, you want to bring your real estate agent with you. Actually, before you even contact the community, make sure you have your agent do that for you so that you can get the best deal possible. Sometimes agents have relationships with builders. We're able to get you a little bit more than you might have been able to get on your own. We're also going to help manage the process through the contract and through the whole closing period. If any issues arrive, usually your real estate agent will jump in and be able to help you out. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, 480-588-2281. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.